Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Geoffrey J. Zimba. So today we're going to do search algorithms with C++. Okay, so what's a search algorithm? It's just an algorithm that helps us find a certain element in a list of elements or items. So I'm just going to write a function that is going to perform a linear search. We've got a load of multiple search algorithms, but in this course we're just going to do the linear search and the binary search. But for today, for this video, we're just going to do the linear search. Okay, so I'm going to create a function that is going to perform the linear search. So follow me step by step. It's very simple. I'll be coding and explaining at the same time. So let me just create the function prototype. I'll name it linear search. Then it's going to accept that. Then this is going to be an array, then this is going to be the size, then this is going to be the number that the user is searching for in our array. I'll just copy that for my function definition right here. I'm going to give names, so this is just going to be num, this is just going to be size, then this is just going to be the array. This is just going to be the array, so I'll do that. So I'll declare and initialize a variable position to -1. So my position is just going to hold a subscript because my array it's returning an integer, and the integer that is going to return is just a subscript at which we have found the element. Okay, and if we don't find the element, the position is not going to change, it's still going to be -1. Why am I going to return -1? Because there is no subscript that is -1. So that means if I return -1, that will be just a flag that we didn't find the element in our array. Okay, the other thing, I'm just going to go through the entire array with a loop. So this is just a for loop. So my condition, so long I is less than size, so I want to go through the entire array and I will increment. Then I'll just say if array at that position, I'll just leave a space there so that you guys can see, is equals to num. Sorry, it's equals to num. That means we found our element. If we find our element, we're going to return the position I. So if it iterates, maybe I at the third iteration, so this is going to be at position 3. The element at position 3 is equal to num, then we're going to return the subscript 3, the subscript 2, sorry. Yeah, but if we don't find our element, we're just going to return position. So that's going to be -1. If we don't find it, it's going to be -1. Okay, let's just go into our main function, and size of array is equals to 5. I'm just going to create a 5-element array, so I'll just name it array. Then it's going to hold size array. Then I'm going to populate it. I'll say 2. Okay, that's our array. Then I'm going to say int results. So this is where I'm going to store the subscript from this, the subscript from this function. So this function, as it is returning, it's going to return an integer. It can either be -1 or an integer equal or greater to 0. Equal to 0 or greater. Then we're going to say linear search. I'm going to pass in the array name, which is array, then the size, which is size array, then the number that the user is searching for. Okay, so at this point I'm just going to say int number, and I'm going to ask the user cout Okay, in the array I'm going to see in number, then I pass it in there. So this whole array is just holding the subscript or -1, then I'm passing it in result, and I'm going to test if result is greater or equal to 0. So if result is greater or equal to 0, that means we found our array, we found an element in our array. So we're just going to say out found, else we're just going to see out not found. Okay, so hopefully we've not made any mistake, no errors. So this is the search algorithm. This is the linear search. Why do we say it's a linear search? Because it goes through the entire array with this loop. So let's just try to see the results. Let's try to see the results. So I'm compiling and running. Okay, it's a little bit slow. Okay, so my array is right here. So I'm going to search for numbers that are in the array first. So we're going to start with 2. So 2 was found, and I'll try 4. 4 was found. I'll try 65. 65 was found. And if I try a number that is not in the array, let's say I try 23, so we can see that 23 was not found. Okay guys, so that's it. That's our array. That's our linear search algorithm. So that's what we're supposed to do for us to perform a linear search algorithm. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.